It is day 3 of Chargers training camp, and fans get a lot more than just a sneak peek at how the team is doing. 10 News brought you live coverage at 8 this morning. 10 News reporter Marie Coronel shows us how this practice may have saved someone's life.
For the crowds of more than 2,000, day 3 of training camp was more than just about getting a glimpse of your favorite Charger. Today it was also about taking a proactive approach against one of the deadliest forms of skin cancer, melanoma, which kills one person every hour, and it hits close to home for those living in California. This year alone, there's expected to be 8,500 people who will be diagnosed with skin cancer. The Chargers teamed up with Melanoma Exposed, offering free skin cancer screenings. Among those in line was Vincent Brown Sr., the father of Chargers wide receiver Vincent Brown.
My dad passed away when he was 72, and we don't know what kind of cancer he had. So I came by and I saw that you were advertising for the day, and I just thought I'd get checked.
Doctors told him he had nothing to worry about, but not everyone gets that same news. John Garcia was diagnosed last December with stage 3 skin cancer.
I've heard about skin this or skin that, and I grew up here in San Diego all my life. I never wore sunscreen. I hung out on the beach.
A story doctors say is all too familiar, as men are 2 times more likely to die from melanoma compared to women. That's why yearly screenings are important. After this stop in San Diego, the Melanoma Exposed team will be visiting other cities, making stops at other football camps. From Chargers Park, Marie Coronel, 10 News.